College pun fibro ki jing bitip nam ta Khubor Laitkam te gidon kumba South Tylli ki post ki walaj ki bide kalan medical te ngan puli kum kan advertisement ka bala ayang ni te nak office of the district medical and health officer is JAINTIA Hill district Liriat te kini ki post ki de hapo is JAINTIA Hill district te lada ko apna apply haban late man tab hapo is JAINTIA Hill kan office of the district medical and health officer for the operational and implementation of Urban Health and Wellness Center under the 15th Finance Commission in East JAINTIA Hill District. The office of the undersigned invite application in standard form from interested and eligible candidates who are citizens of India for filling up the following vacant posts purely on contractual basis. Tidak ada pengumuman kedai contractual. Dengan kam medical officer arngut katulok kolong rupo wajar di mendapat MBBS degree from recognized institution, minimum 2 years of work experience in the field of healthcare. Dewi chapo East JAINTIA Hill District dan staff nurse dan kam arngut katulok kolong arpo wajar permon di mendapat BSc nursing lane GNM general nursing midwife from a recognized institution must be registered with Meghalaya Nursing Council. Minimum 2 years of work experience in the field of healthcare. Kaneru kadeh po is JAINTIA Hill District. Tegi bakwa aban apply, pihak ban submit di application jung pi ringkat bat ki self attested copies, academic and professional qualification, proof of date of birth, SC/ST experience certificate, 2 passport size photograph duly attested and current contact detail. Address, mobile number, and email address should be clearly written on the standard application form. Adi pan download gitu baru bidon kam. Dan lada pada pihak penpoi yaki application bijong pi shek office of the district medical health officer hapo is JAINTIA Hill District mawa bekandai hapo is JAINTIA Hill District on or before the 12th July 2023 till 5 PM. Last date kedai khat 3 July adu san maje janmit. Date of written test and interview for a shortlist candidate will be informed later. Again, sependip all the relevant testimonial certificate to be produced in time of interview. Pihak ban upload itu, tekin mai kabawan by one by late. Kena mai te kihap tip himapi ban late for interview na ki jinon kam kawede bekene. Te tangin ni jumtip tulis pun.